Hey there! Are you having trouble reading your ebooks because Apple Books keeps getting stuck on a page? Don't stress. In this video, I'm here to help you fix that issue on your iPhone. So, let's not waste any more time and dive right into the solutions. Solution 1. Force restart your iPhone. First, you'll want to hold down the power button and either the volume up or down button together for a few seconds. After that, a menu will pop up on your screen. Next, slide the power button that says Slide to Power Off. Your iPhone will automatically restart itself. Now, once your iPhone is back on, check to see if the issue is resolved. Solution 2. Reinstall Books. For this solution, go ahead and open the Settings app again. Then, tap on General. Next, select iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down to find Books and tap on it. After that, tap on Delete App. Then, confirm by tapping Delete App once more. Now, exit out of Settings and open the App Store. Search for Apple Books. Then, go ahead and download it again. Now check to see if the problem is fixed. Solution 3. Reset your iPhone settings. First, open the Settings app again. Then scroll down and tap on General. Next, look for and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, select Reset All Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset All Settings again. Your settings will now be reset. And just like that, the issue should be gone. So there you have it, folks. That's how to fix Apple Books getting stuck on a page on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching.